Alright guys, I found a new video, another video, which is the same thing, right? Just by making money online, just by listening to music. But for this case, it is from our good friend, Dave Nick Daily. So, it is the same thing, it's the same concept. More or less, it is about, finding the song to upload onto a particular website. And then from the website alone, we will be earning money. So for the first part of the video, Dave Nick mentions about a particular website that allows us to download the music, and then upon downloading the music, we will have to upload the music to the website. So it's the same concept. It's just the same strategy as compared to the previous video. So we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the website where he recommends for us to upload to. Oh, for this case, he mentions that we are going to be able to earn $7 per song. So a dollar is always a dollar. So I'll take it.
And the step number 3 is to go over to a platform called up-forever.org. Up-forever.org is a platform where you can upload different things, upload different files, and get paid while doing that. So this is a file sharing free cloud storage. Basically, not only will they allow you to upload your files for free, but they will also pay you when you do that. So as you can see, you can upload your files safely and withdraw profits from the various payment methods or convert the profits into different products. Like you can also get awards and products and gifts and whatnot. And the reason they are paying you is because when someone downloads that file that you uploaded to up-forever.org, they will be shown some ads. So they will basically be sent to a landing page for ads, which they can skip. And once they skip those ads, basically this platform is just sharing the ad revenue with you. They're splitting the ad revenue with you, and that's how both you and the platform are making money. And those files can also be like photos, videos, PDF documents, text documents, and can also be music.
Alright, so this is the website that he is mentioning, which is called Up Forever, or is it JP Forever? I don't know. Whatever it is safe. I can apparently access to it, which is always a good sign. I was not being denied access, so we can go ahead and get our $7 per music. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up first and get back to you guys. Alright, so this is my dashboard upon registering, and let's get on with the video.
Make money to see how this actually works, but as you can see, you will be paid per 1,000 downloads in different areas. So now how much you're going to be paid depends on where the people are coming from, the people who actually download those files, in this case, who download the music and those songs which you uploaded from Pixabay. And as you can see, if they're coming from tier 4 countries, you will be paid $3 per 1,000 downloads. If they're coming from top tier 1 countries, you will be paid $7 per 1,000 downloads. And we go to my account, you can also once again see that I have $900 into this account. Here on the left hand side, you can see all the different features that they have, but the most important one right now is the upload files feature. So click on upload files and then click on choose a file and just upload one of those songs which you previously downloaded from pixabay.com/music. And then just click on start the upload. Let it just load, and then you can also share this link. Whenever someone clicks on this link and they download that song, you will be paid for that. Now, if you go to My Files on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see all the different songs that you have uploaded. So, for example, this song right over here, we can click on Actions and edit the song, and you can also set the price. So, for example, you can set the price to be $7 for this song and just click Submit. And now whenever someone downloads this song, you will be paid $7. And the reason people will download these songs is because they want to use copyright-free music in their videos, in their YouTube videos, in their commercials and stuff like that. And these songs are entirely copyright-free. So a lot of people don't even know that they can use pixabay.com/music to find these songs, so they will just go to up-forever.org, and when they download that, you could get paid $7 per download, per song download. And the more of those songs that you upload, the higher chances of making more money you will have.
Alright, so here I am on Pixabay. So this is a website where there are royalty-free images, royalty-free stock, and for images, videos, and music. So I'm gonna download music from here, which is for pop, and I am going to go for the first one over here. So I'm going to give it a click. Alright, so I'm done downloading this particular music from Pixabay, which is royalty free, and I have to go ahead and upload it at Up Forever. Alright, so we are back at the Up Forever net, and according to the video from Dave Nick, we have to go ahead and upload files over here. I'm gonna go ahead and upload the music that we have downloaded from Pixabay. We have to make sure that it is public according from him, so the public will be able to download our music. Okay, so I'm done uploading my file, my music, and I guess it's up. I guess that's it. Yeah. So I've uploaded the music, and all we have to do now is to basically wait for other people to download my music, and when they do download my music, apparently I'll get a cut. I'll get paid for it. I guess it's from the ad revenue, according from Dave Nick. So for the most part, we are done, and we just have to wait. We just have to wait until someone clicks onto it, and yeah, that's how we're gonna get our $7. Alright, so this is our dashboard. So according to the video, we are able to set the price for our music. So over here, as you can see, this is the song that I've originally uploaded. I can edit it, and I can apparently set the price. So I mean, I can easily go for $7,000 per song. I mean, I can technically do that instead of $7. Let me see if it's possible or not. Yo, here it is, $7,000 for this one particular song. If anyone downloads this music, I'll be paid $7,000. Oh no, that's not gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow accordingly to the video, which is $7. Okay. So it is set to public, and it is priced at $7. So we just wait. We just wait right now. We just wait and hope for the best that someone will actually download my music. And as you can see over here at the payment proof section, it's pretty legit, I guess. I mean, hopefully these numbers are real. It's not being edited like what I did earlier on. So there are like 60,000 payments, and there is this amount, which is like what, $328,000 paid so far, I believe. And all over here are the people that have received their cash. So as you can see over here, the amount that people have been receiving are $1, $1.17, $1.33, $1.73, $13. Not too bad. And then the rest is all like around the dollar range. Wow, as you can see over here, it goes all the way to 1,200 page. Let's give it a click. As I was saying, this is the 1,218 page of the payment proof section. So as you can see over here, it's all around the range of $1, $2, $3, $4, around that range. Nothing too crazy. Just like probably all the other pages is similar as well. So yeah, right now, but I'm not too sure as to where my music is being advertised at, where my music is being pushed upon. Like, it's over here, yes, but where is it being pushed? That is a question that I have right now. And I don't think I can check anywhere, but apparently from the video, that's all we have to do, which is to upload the music onto this particular website, which is Up Forever, and then we just wait. I think we just wait until someone downloads the music that we have uploaded, and we will get paid to whatever amount that we have set originally, which is $7. So I guess that's it for today's video. No $7 just yet. I didn't earn any money. No one actually downloaded my music yet. I mean, of course, it's just less than a minute. So I can't really exactly expect people to download my music just yet. So, but nevertheless, if I were to have any updates, if I were to get paid, within the day, throughout the few days, a few weeks, or even a few months, I will be sure to let you guys know. I'll make an update on this particular video, whether we will be able to earn at least $7 just one music. If I'm able to earn that, I'll let you guys know for sure. So we've earned a grand total of $0 for today at least. Hopefully tomorrow is a better day, or hopefully next week is a better week, or next month. Hopefully not. Hopefully we don't have to wait so long in order to receive one download. Alright, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!